Okay. Good afternoon. This is William McPherson. I'm extremely bored right now. I'm sitting at a bus stop, waiting for the bus. I decided to make this 2 to 3 minute video about Wi-Fi. What is Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi is also known as wireless fidelity, correct? It is a standard that was invented by the IEEE. The IEEE, they are a group of engineers that they make the standards that define the internet. The IEEE actually stands for the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, and you can check out their website on IEEE.org. Now, what happened was the official standard for Wi-Fi is 802.11, and the 802 standard is a body of standards that was invented by the IEEE that define networking. As a matter of fact, it was invented, the 802 standard, in February of 1980. Hence why we refer to the 802 standard as 802, because it was the second month in the year 1980. Follow me. Now, okay, 802.11 is the official standard that governs Wi-Fi, or is the standard that pertains to Wi-Fi. When you talk about 802.11, you have 802.11b, G, N, and AC. AC is the standard that we use now. Now, the 802.11 AC standard has a download speed of 72 megabits per second. Why is this significant? Because, how can I explain? Okay, you have 802.11, which is Wi-Fi, and now the opposite, or 802.11's twin, so to speak, is 802.3, which is Ethernet. Now, Ethernet has a download speed of 100 megabits per second. That's referred to as fast Ethernet, 100 megabits per second. And also you have gigabit Ethernet, and you have 10 gigabit Ethernet. So Wi-Fi, it offers us mobility. It offers us what's the word? Ease of access, I believe we call it. But Wi-Fi is not secure. That is one reason why you would use Ethernet as opposed to Wi-Fi. You would use Ethernet or hardwired, a cable running from point A to point B. You would use Ethernet because it's secure. When you have Wi-Fi, it's susceptible of the frames being intercepted. Of the frames being intercepted. What else can I tell you about Wi-Fi? Okay, Wi-Fi, to understand Wi-Fi, you had to understand about the concept of radio frequency. To understand Wi-Fi, you have to understand that Wi-Fi operates in what is referred to as the 2.4 gigahertz spectrum. 2.4 gigahertz and the 5 gigahertz spectrum. In the 2.4 gigahertz spectrum, you have approximately 14 channels, correct? And to get the best connectivity, to your router, you have to be on channels 1, 6, or 11, because 1, 6, or 11 is what is referred to as non-overlapping channels. That's how you get the best connectivity. Now you may ask, how can I use channels 1, 6, or 11? Well, what you do is you go to your computer, you open up a browser, correct? You go to the address bar, correct? And you enter in this particular address. Now, the address is 192.168.1.1. That address is the address to your default gateway. Your default gateway is also known as your router, okay? Your default gateway is also known as your router. So when you log into your router, you're gonna have what is referred to as a default administrative password. All routers have default administrative passwords. It's going to be admin, and I believe it's 1, 2, 3, 4. But admin is going to be the name of the username, and then the password most likely going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. But it depends on what router you're using. You can always Google to find out what is the default username and password to your router. So, bingo. Now you enter in 192.168.1.1. That's the address to get into your router. And from there, depending on what router you have, you enter in the username and password. And then from there, you would navigate and see what particular channel you're using in the 2.4 gigahertz frequency range. That's all I have to talk about today. If you have any comments, please leave comments. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And that's all I have to say. I'll talk to you guys later.